Now I'm going to show you how to open the packet. First,
What's your milk?
First, you just take the thing out. It's in there. Hey, I need to get this thing out of here. I forgot how.
Boy, it keeps coming, doesn't it?
And what it ever is, you take it out and show your mama.
How pretty.
And then if you don't want it, you can find these little sock covers. And then
What is that?
it's a,
Oh, is that for Rai Rai? Show me the front. Oh, that's cute for 4th of July.
well, why don't I
Who's that from?
have big brain and why don't
Can you tell her thank you?
thank you and why